Hello and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Power Up Videos. My name is Doug and today we're going to look at the Deluxe iPad Flight Desk from Flight Outfitters. Now, the Deluxe iPad Flight Desk is really two products in one. It's a really great case for your iPad as well as a really nice kneeboard. The case looks very similar to your lift bag in styling and it has this nice chart pocket on the outside, a zipper, and then also a back to it where you can see the kneeboard is actually fed through these two holes. This allows you to put the whole thing on your knee and open it up. I prefer to use the kneeboard by itself without the case. Now, the kneeboard includes three different mounting brackets. They're silicone and they're really universal. So they have a phone size, they have a larger iPad size, and then they have an iPad mini size. Pretty much any device you have will fit with this unless you have the really big 13-inch iPad Pros. The kneeboard is pretty basic, but also very versatile. So it has this really nice elastic band that goes around your leg. And this platform has an elevation mechanism on it. Oftentimes, especially when flying a Cessna like this, if you have the iPad laying flat on your lap, the sun can come in through the front and make a big glare on the iPad. So providing a little bit of elevation takes a lot of the glare out. The silicone holders really provide a universal solution. So I can put the corners over my iPad mini, and you'll notice I still have it in the case. So it'll work with most cases. And the velcro just goes on your kneeboard. The neat thing about using velcro is you can do portrait, or I can peel it right off and go to landscape. My favorite way of using this is having my iPad mini like this in the landscape, and then grabbing my phone and putting that right above it. So now I have two devices mounted on one kneeboard. This is really great if you want to have multiple apps running at the same time. So if you want to have your ForeFlight running at the bottom and maybe your Sirius XM receiver running up here, you can still listen to all your bluegrass music while having navigation at the bottom. Once you're all done with this, it folds up nice and flat. And the iPad along with the kneeboard can fit all back inside that Deluxe case. A couple things to note about the Deluxe case: it does have a carrying handle, so it acts as a standalone case. It also has these two pads on the back. This provides a ridge for your leg to help keep the iPad stable. Once you open up the case, you'll notice there's a bunch of organization here on the left side. There's also a nice little clipboard here for a checklist or for taking notes. This clipboard can fit over here on the left side, or when it's closed, it'll actually fit in the front pocket. The Flight Outfitters Deluxe iPad Flight Desk can be found online at sportys.com.